Okay everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and I'm showing a project that we built about 15 years ago. So this is a project that's withstood the test of time. I think the difference between a good backyard and a great backyard is the ability to withstand the test of time. So check out, there's the place to hang out on the left there, and then to the right there's a water garden. Check out the swing. Used to be red, now it's green or blue. But here's a water garden that was built. Interesting thing about this is that it's withstood the test of time. It actually 15 years later, it still has the original Atlantic Water Gardens pump that's still running inside the box. That's a skimmer box right there. Some water plants, still have some marine life in this, and then it has the dual waterfalls, little bridge over the water, and you can hear that amazing sound. Imagine waking up to that every morning. And then the filter is a pressure filter. There's a filter pump in there, a little pressure filter. So when it exits the pressure filter here, it actually goes into the sequoia trees. Mind you, this is Southern California, so sequoia trees, yep. There's a black composter. There's a view from the pond looking at the house. So this is what the homeowner actually sees when they wake up in the morning. Here's a back view of the system being pushed out of the pressure filter into the waterfall. That's waterfall number one. And then here is waterfall number two. And as we look over, these are mostly California natives or California friendly plants that are planted in order to help the environment and to save water. Another view of the dual waterfalls. Very, very cool. It's just amazing. So as we go over here to sit, we see just pure gorgeousness, and that sound, there's nothing like it. So if you're thinking of a water garden, or you're thinking of a koi pond, a pondless waterfall, water feature, give us a call. We designed and installed this, like I said, about 15 years ago. We've only obviously gotten better over time. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. Thanks for joining us. Take care.